Let me read you guys this hot headline that just came across my desk. The FTC, which is the Federal Trade Commission, takes action to stop online home buying firm Opendoor, which is an iBuyer, such as Opendoor, OfferPad, Zillow. These are companies that offer to buy your house online. And so it says that the FTC takes action to stop online home buying firms like Opendoor from cheating potential sellers with misleading claims about its home buying services. Now the company will have to pay $62 million and stop deceiving consumers about the supposed benefits of its service. I'll put the link to the article, but let me read you the first little paragraph here. The Federal Trade Commission today took action against online home buying firm Opendoor for cheating potential home sellers by tricking them into thinking they can make more money selling their homes to Opendoor than on the open market. And so it says that they made people think they can make more money selling with them than the traditional sales process. The FTC alleged that Opendoor pitched potential sellers using misleading and deceptive information, and in reality, most people who sold homes to Opendoor made thousands of dollars less than they would have selling their homes using the traditional sales process. And under a proposed administrative order, Opendoor will have to pay $62 million and stop its deceptive practices. The article continues that Opendoor promised to revolutionize the real estate market, but instead its business model was plain old-fashioned deception. I'm Erica Page, President and co-CEO of the Luxury Living International team at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. And to be honest with you, this is not new information to us. As somebody that's well experienced in the market, studying the market for over 20 years, we already knew that this happened. Opendoor and other iBuyers have made people think that ease is worth the loss of a whole bunch of equity, up to $20,000. For years, we've been helping sellers and buyers to get the best possible deal for selling their home, buying a home over and over and over again. And experience matters. Knowledge matters. Someone that studies the market and knows the market all the time, it matters. So if you're interested in selling a home or buying a home, call us, call somebody with experience that knows the market so that we can help you profit, sell your home fast and for top dollar.